Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset Santander savings account password, quick guide step by step clearly. To reset your Santander savings account password, start by visiting the Santander website. Look for the login button at the top right corner of the home page. Click on the login button to access the sign-in page. On the sign-in page, locate the Forgot Your Password link right underneath the password entry field. Click on the Forgot Your Password link to proceed. You will be directed to a new page where you'll need to provide your details. Enter your registered email address associated with your account. Provide any other requested information, such as your phone number or account number. Once you have filled in the necessary fields, click on the Submit button. Check your email inbox for a password reset email from Santander. Open the email and click on the link provided to reset your password. You will be taken to a new page where you can create a new password. Make sure your new password meets the specified requirements. After entering your new password, confirm it by typing it again in the confirmation field. Once both fields match, click on the Confirm button. After successfully resetting your password, return to the login page. Enter your email address and your new password to access your account. You are now logged in with your new password and ready to manage your savings account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.